Tarano speaking English. Lesson 1, English Start Here. EP 4, First 10 English Conversation Sentences. Hello and welcome to Tarano Speak English. I am happy you are here and I am proud of you for learning English today. I know learning English can feel scary, but you are not alone. I am learning with you step by step every day. In this video, I will teach you 10 first English conversation sentences you can use right away. Sentence 1. Hello, how are you? This sentence is a friendly way to start a conversation. I use it when I meet someone for the first time or see someone again. You can say it in the morning, afternoon, or evening. I say hello to greet and how are you to show care. You sound polite and kind when you use this sentence. I use this sentence at work, at school, or with new people. You can use it with friends, teachers, or coworkers. I say it with a smile to sound friendly. You do not need perfect English to use it well. I want you to feel confident when you say it. Here are some examples you can practice with me. I say, hello, how are you? And you answer, I'm fine. You can also say, I'm good, or I'm okay. I listen, and then I continue the conversation. You see, one sentence can open many doors. Sentence 2. My name is... What is your name? This sentence helps me introduce myself. I use it when I meet someone new. You say your name first, then ask for the other person's name. I like this sentence because it is simple and clear. You can use it anywhere in daily life. I use this sentence in class, at work, or online. You can use it when you make new friends. I speak slowly so people understand me. You can repeat it many times to feel comfortable. I want you to enjoy introducing yourself. Here are some easy examples. I say, my name is Anna. What is your name? You say, my name is Tom. I smile and say, nice to meet you. You are already having a real conversation. Sentence 3. Nice to meet you. This sentence is polite and friendly. I use it after learning someone's name. You say it to show respect and kindness. I sound friendly when I say it clearly. You can use it in formal and informal situations. I use this sentence at meetings and parties. You can use it with new classmates or coworkers. I say it with a smile and calm voice. You do not need long sentences to be polite. I want you to feel natural when you say it. Here are some examples for you. I say, nice to meet you, John. You answer, nice to meet you too. I feel happy when the conversation flows. You are doing great with simple English. Sentence 4. Where are you from? This sentence helps me learn about someone. I use it to ask about country or city. You can ask this question after introductions. I use a friendly tone when I ask it. You should listen carefully to the answer. I use this sentence when meeting people from different places. You can use it when traveling or studying. I stay polite and curious when I ask. You can also answer with confidence. I want you to enjoy sharing about yourself. Here are some example answers. I ask, where are you from? You say, I am from Japan. I might say, that's nice. You see how easy conversation can be. Sentence 5. I am from Japan. This sentence tells people where I come from. I use it to answer the question, where are you from? You say it as a statement, not a question. I speak clearly and calmly. You can change the country to your own. I use this sentence in many situations. You can use it in class or when traveling. I feel proud when I talk about my country. You should feel proud too. I want you to speak with confidence. Here are more examples. I say, I am from Thailand. You say, I am from Korea. I listen and respond politely. You are communicating successfully. Sentence 6. How old are you? This sentence asks about age. I use it in friendly and casual situations. You should be polite when you ask it. I do not always ask this in formal settings. You should be careful who you ask. I use this sentence with friends or classmates. You can use it when talking to people your age. I ask it kindly and naturally. You can answer with a number. I want you to feel relaxed. Here are some examples. I ask, how old are you? You say, I am 20 years old. I say, oh, okay. You are doing well. Sentence 7. What do you do? This sentence asks about work or study. I use it to learn about someone's life. You can ask this after small talk. I listen carefully to the answer. You do not need difficult words. I use this sentence in social conversations. You can answer with your job or studies. I say, I am a teacher. You say, I am a student. I encourage you to keep it simple. Here are some examples. I ask, what do you do? You answer, I work in an office. I respond kindly. You are building confidence. Sentence 8. I am learning English. This sentence shows your goal. I use it to explain why I speak English. You can say it proudly. I know learning English takes time. You are doing something important. I use this sentence with native speakers. You can use it when you make mistakes. I feel confident saying it. You do not need perfect English. I want you to keep going. Here are some examples. I say, I am learning English. You say, me too. I smile and encourage you. You are not alone. Sentence 9. Can you help me, please? This sentence asks for help politely. I use it when I do not understand. You should always say, please. I feel confident asking for help. You should too. I use this sentence in class or daily life. You can ask for help with directions or words. I speak slowly and clearly. You will get better every time. I want you to be brave. Here are some examples. I say, can you help me, please? You receive help and say, thank you. I feel supported. You are learning naturally. And sentence 10, thank you. See you later. This sentence ends a conversation politely. I use thank you to show appreciation. You use see you later to say goodbye. I sound friendly and positive. You leave a good impression. I use this sentence every day. You can use it with friends or teachers. I say it with a smile. You can say it confidently. I want you to feel comfortable ending conversations. Here are examples. I say, thank you. See you later. You say, see you. I feel happy about the conversation. You did great. You did an amazing job today. I want you to practice English every day, even just 5 minutes. You can repeat these sentences out loud with me. I believe you can speak English with confidence. You are improving step by step. Comment below and tell me which sentence you like the most. Like this video if it helps you. Subscribe to Tarano Speak English for more lessons. Share this video with someone learning English. And don't forget to watch the next video to keep improving your English. Enjoy speaking English!